What's up my people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn about advanced filtering. So if you're used to the normal filtering, stop using that and start focusing on this video so that you can learn how you can do advanced filtering and be able to obtain unique values and also to conduct complex filtering in your dataset. So for the normal filtering, you are unable to conduct the unique filtering and also to do a complex filtering when it comes to your dataset. So let's begin by obtaining unique values. So we're going to go to data, advanced, and then we're going to reset this. So we want to obtain unique values from this. We're going to copy in another location, and then we want unique records only. So we have unique records here from this column. So let's do another advanced filtering. So we go to here, we're going to move this, we're going to copy to another location. So list range is going to be this, and then criteria range is going to be this. It is going to be put here, then you click OK. So your data has been filtered in terms of the Kisumu, and the comment should be good farm. So let's see our data set if we are correct. So when it comes to Kisumu, we only have one with a comment of a good farm. So thank you so much for watching this video. Tune in for more videos.